Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ziyada. Today I am going to tell you about graph. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. So let's get started. Representing data using block graphs. In the garden, there are 3 birds, robins, sparrows and crows. Let's learn it. So how many birds in the garden? 3. Block graphs are used to show amount using blocks. Repeat after me. Block graphs are used to show amount using blocks. And now look at the screen. How many birds in the garden? 3 birds. Robins, sparrows, and crows in the garden. So there are 5 robins, 4 sparrows and 8 crows. Okay. Data group. Birds. Now we will write here the names of the bird. There are 3 birds. Robins, sparrows and crows. Frequency, how many? So robins are 5, so we will color it with red. And the sparrows are with there are 4 sparrows, so we will color it with yellow. And there are 8 crows, so we will color it with light blue. You have done a great job at following along. In the next lesson, we are going to make our own block graphs. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and comment in the comment box. See you then. Allah Hafiz.